Today, I'm going to show you a broad behind-the-scenes look at how I make my episodes. I'll show you everything from scripting to posting, and honestly, it's probably more complex than you think. To start, I open up my Notes app on my phone. I click on the microphone and I just talk into it rather than actually type out my scripts. I feel this helps keep my videos feeling more human-like and less scripted. Once my script is complete, I then open up 11 Labs, click on the voice changer feature, and read the script into 11 Labs. I use my pre-existing clone voice and I generate my audio. I then take that audio and I put it in my editing program. There, I clean up all my audio and I decide when I'll be on camera and when there will be other visuals. Based on that, I then go to Midjourney and I design a look for that particular episode. Many times, I'll even take that design over to Nano Banana so I can refine the image. Once I have an image I'm going to use, or images, I then take those over to HeyGen. Back in my editing program, I export all of my on-screen audio. I place that audio in HeyGen along with the image I chose. And sometimes I add details in the description for body movement. Once my clips are done, I place them in my editor and I finish editing the project, adding in the rest of the visuals and music. I use Premiere, but honestly, you could use any video editing program. I export a horizontal video for YouTube and an edited vertical video for TikTok and Instagram. This next step, you don't really have to do it, but I like to do it personally to increase the quality of all of my videos. I take my final edited video and place it in a software called Topaz, where I'll then increase the quality of my video up to 8K. This is why if you go to my YouTube page at daisy.studios and click on the quality gear icon, you can then watch these videos in 8K. There are a few more steps that I take as far as posting, like my titles and descriptions, but I'll talk about that in another episode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little behind-the-scenes walkthrough on how these videos get made and that you got some value out of this. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!